because right behind me, there is a very, very sleepy little snail.
OMG, so cute!
Shh! Did you know that snails can sleep for 3 years at a time? Now that's a lot of beauty rest.
So why are they so ugly?
Not the point, Ruby! Snails need moisture to survive. So if the weather is too hot or dry, they'll actually blanket their bodies in a layer of mucus.
A blanket of mucus? Ugh. Why not faux fur or something else soft?
The mucus isn't meant to feel soft, Ruby. It's meant to protect them against the dry weather.
So if the weather's dry, they can sleep for up to 3 years in their own mucus?
That's right. Snails are pretty cool. Right, Ruby?
Gross.
Hooray!